Hola, and welcome back. AI is already in Fiji. I'm here to make sure none of us get left behind. Last episode, I showed you how to talk to AI and get started, and today I'm showing you something just as important: how to use it to catch fake news, and how to make sure the AI itself isn't lying to you while it does it. Because here's a catch: the AI can sound very confident even when it is completely wrong. So it is absolutely important that you ask it for proof, that you ask it for links and for sources. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So let's get started. Okay, say you're scrolling on Facebook one morning and you come across something like this. It's got a headline and it sounds serious. And maybe someone you know already shared this. Your first instinct is to believe it, or worse, to share it yourself. But before you do any of that, let's check and make sure that it is actually true. And I'm going to use AI to do it today. The first thing I do is take a screenshot of the post, or I save the image. I've already saved this image. So all I have to do is go to ChatGPT and simply click the plus, add photo and files, and upload the image. Now I'm going to tell it exactly what I need from it. Please look at this image and tell me if it is fake. It is important that you fact check this on the web and ensure that you provide me with 2 to 3 different sources that back your answer. Please do so quickly. I then press enter and I let it send. This is the screenshot from the Facebook post that we just saw. The AI went and came back immediately with a verdict saying it is fake. The image you posted is not the official June 2026 fuel price notice, and the figures shown are false. What the image claims. Then it will tell you what the image is claiming. And then it will tell you the official June 2026 prices. The product, as you can see, there's a difference. Motor Spirit on the fake one says $4.25, but on the official June 2026 one, the official price is $3.93. The image inflates every fuel price, right? So this is source 1. We can click on this and see where it takes us. As you can see, it confirms media release, fake, false fuel price information. Now, one source is great, but it is always better if we have 2 sources. So let's see if there are any other sources here. The official statement right here is on Facebook. Independent source number 2 is the FBC News. Let's click on that. As you can see, June prices are $3.93. Let's click on this and see if this is first of all a real article and if it really does say that. So it is a real article, as we can see, and we can also find $3.93. This is source number 2. We also have an independent source number 3 from the Fiji Sun that has the exact same price. The conclusion: the image is fake. FCCC has publicly stated it is false, and multiple independent Fiji news outlets report different official prices that match FCC's figures, not the image figures. Now, it is important to note that in some cases, when you have something you're not sure about if it is fake or real, and you put it in here, there may not be any news on it because it is so fresh, so brand new, so freshly fake. In that instance, the AI will most likely tell you that it cannot find any sources on that. But you can ask it, thank you. In the case where there were no official reports on this, and the fake image was freshly circulating, what 3 sources or 4 sources should I monitor to get the real figures? Then we send it out. So in a case where it is a fresh fake post and there is no reported news on it, it would tell us 1 is the primary source, FCCC. The fuel prices are regulated and announced by the Fiji Competition and Consumer Commission, right? Official website right here. So we can monitor that. All the information, this is the official site. Then Facebook often posts first, takes us to their Facebook, Fiji Village, FBC News, Fiji Times. My verification method: if a new image appears. Before sharing it, I check FCCC's website and Facebook, Fiji Village article, FBC News article, and Fiji Times article. If at least 2 independent media outlets are reporting the exact same figures and they match FCCC, it's probably legitimate. And there you have it. This is how you can check fake news to see if it is real or fake with real sources behind it. If you follow these steps and these exact rules, and you make sure that you find the exact sources that prove it, with more than 2 sources confirming the same thing, then you're on the best way to have something correct or identified in front of you. That way, you don't fall for fake news. So that's the whole thing. 3 rules: make it search, click the link, check it twice. Do that and AI becomes the best fake news detector you've ever owned. Skip it and it'll lie to you with a straight face, and you won't even know it happened. This is how we use these tools properly. This is how we stay ahead instead of getting fooled. Don't get left behind. Get educated. My name is Asta, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed week.